Want to make your home stand out without a major renovation? A professional pressure wash can transform your property overnight. Today, we'll walk through exactly why pressure washing matters, what it can do for your home's value and curb appeal, and when to call the pros. While many homeowners shy away from small chores, exterior cleanliness is often the first thing visitors or potential buyers notice. Pressure washing cleans beyond visible dirt. It removes grime, mildew, stains, and reveals surfaces as they were meant to look. Driveways, sidewalks, walkways, patios, siding, decks, fences, and exterior walls benefit from pressure washing. It clears built-up dirt, oil stains, mold, mildew, pollen residue, and years of weathering. Cleaning restores original color and material. A dull, mossy driveway or dirty siding can look nearly new again. This instantly refreshes the home's exterior and makes it look well-maintained. When someone approaches a home, the exterior sets the tone. A sparkling, clean exterior signals the property has been cared for. This positively influences a buyer's perception. High curb appeal can lead to faster sales and better offers. In a competitive real estate market, a clean exterior can help a home stand out. Dirt, mold, mildew, algae, and other contaminants don't just look bad. Over time, they erode surfaces, degrade paint, stain siding and decks, and may cause structural decay. Regular pressure washing helps prevent this damage, preserving surfaces longer. Improved safety with slip-free walkways and mold removal is another benefit. A healthier environment with less mildew, algae, and allergens occurs when the exterior is cleaned. Pressure washing is much cheaper than full renovations. It offers outsized visual and protective benefits, making it one of the highest bang-for-buck maintenance tasks. Many homeowners pay a few $100s, yet get results comparable to a pricey facelift. For homeowners prepping to sell, pressure washing often ranks among the top prepping tasks recommended. It increases perceived value with minimal effort and cost. Professional pressure washing services know the right pressure, techniques, and detergents. They know how to safely clean different surfaces without causing damage. Surfaces like siding, wood decks, old concrete, and fragile materials may be mistreated by DIYers. Professional crews finish quickly and thoroughly, saving homeowners time, effort, and risk. Pressure washing is a simple, cost-effective way to restore and protect exterior surfaces. It boosts curb appeal, improves resale value, and signals good maintenance with minimal disruption. If you want your home to look its best, consider scheduling a professional exterior wash this season. It could pay for itself in increased value and curb appeal.